Quick note. I can't write in any one creator's exact style, but here's that same clear, upbeat, educational vibe. Alright, nursing care and pulmonary function. Today, hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means coughing up blood from the lower respiratory tract. Think trachea, bronchi, lungs. It can look like bright red, frothy blood mixed with sputum. Don't confuse it with hematemesis. Vomiting blood from the GI tract, darker, coffee ground appearance, nausea. Or pseudohemoptysis, nasal source, oral source. Blood from the mouth that's coughed out. Causes: acute bronchitis pneumonia, irritated airways bleed, chronic bronchiectasis COPD, serious lung cancer, pulmonary embolism, tuberculosis, aspergilloma, fungal ball, cardiac pulmonary edema, pink frothy sputum. Other contributors: trauma, inhalation injury, foreign body, autoimmune vasculitis, like GPA Goodpasture syndrome, warfarin, DOAX, antiplatelets, low platelets, or coagulopathy. Red flags: large volume bleeding, rapid bleeding, shortness of breath, low SpO2, hemodynamic instability, known high-risk conditions. Treat as an emergency. Nursing steps. 1. First look. ABCs. Airway. Listen for gurgling stridor, have suction ready. Sit the patient upright. High Fowler's if massive bleeding. Position bleeding lung down. Lateral decubitus. Breathing. Check RR work of breathing SpO2. Apply oxygen per protocol to keep SATs typically 92% or per order CHOC's condition. Circulation. Vital signs, mental status, skin perfusion. Establish at least 1 large bore IV, 2 if unstable. 1. Characterize the bleed. Note color: bright red versus pink, frothy. Clots, estimate volume. Save sputum for culture if infection suspected. Differentiate from epistaxis. Inspect nares, oropharynx, GI source. Ask about nausea or GI symptoms. 1. Labs and imaging. Prepare and expedite. CBC, HGB, platelets.